Hello and welcome to the short video on the Kupo C-Stand Door Rack. C-stands, or century stands, as they are properly called, are rumored to get their name because they are so versatile it would take a century to master all the possibilities, but they do have one annoying flaw. When closed, they can't stand on their own without divine intervention or some other assistance. That assistance comes in the form of a door rack. The Kupo heavy-duty steel C-Stand rack can mount on any flat surface, such as walls or doors. It's a lifesaver in studio, rental houses, and in grip trucks on location. The C-Stand rack consists of two parts: the base that supports the legs of the C-stands, and the top channel hanger that houses the riser columns from both sides and cradles the brake castings. Since the two pieces are independent of one another, it's easy to custom fit the hanger to whatever size C-stands you have. They also feature two metal loops on either side to secure the stands with shock cords. This is especially useful in a grip truck. Let's show you how to mount the C-Stand rack to a wall. Before we do, I want to offer a word of caution. 6 C-Stand kits can easily weigh over 100 pounds. And keep in mind, the anchor points will be constantly stressed as stands are placed and removed often. I'd recommend mounting them to a solid surface made of wood, wood-backed sheetrock, or concrete with concrete anchors. Sheetrock on its own is possible with special anchors such as toggle bolts. If you're not sure, consult a qualified contractor for proper installation. First, we will mount the base at your desired height. Use a level and a pencil to mark the wall to ensure that your stands will be mounted vertically. I wear these not only for the safety, but for the style. Watch out, ladies. Now we will drive the screws through the holes until tight. The base should be mounted solidly with no movement. Take a C-stand and place it on the base. Take the top part of the hanger and place the riser column into the channel. Raise the top part until the brake castings are sitting on the left side of the channel and mark one of the holes with a pencil. Remove the C-stand. Use the level again to make sure the top part is parallel to the bottom part and mark the holes with your pencil. Secure the top part of the rack to the wall with the screws and give a tug to make sure it is solidly mounted. Load up your rack with your C-stands. Secure your stands with a shock cord. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo, we like to say, never let go.